Hi, once again, this is Kaisar from Rank Ninja. Rank Ninja is an agency that is helping many businesses to elevate their online presence by providing web development and digital marketing services. If you need any kind of digital marketing services or web development and e-commerce solution, then you can contact with us. We provide both Google and Facebook marketing pixel setup, Google Tag Manager integration, Google Analytics 4, and all the most popular analytics tools for digital marketing metrics. So, if you need any help, just contact with us. Today, I will show you a very interesting tricks, that is how you can change this logo. You can set your own logo here and it is totally free. Just watch the full video. Also, if you are new to my channel, just click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. First of all, you have to log into your WordPress dashboard. Now go to plugins and click add new plugin, and then here type ultimate dashboard, and this plugin you have to install Ultimate Dashboard Custom WordPress Dashboard by David. Okay, click the install. After installing, just click activate it. Okay, now you will find the new menu left side here, and here you can see login customizer. Just click here and it will open your WordPress site customization panel, and here click again, and here is the logo part, and select image. You can choose any image. For example, I want to upload my own image here. Okay, you can control the height. Also, you can put URL here. For example, if a user click here, where will be he landed? For me, I am putting rankninja.com. Also powered by WordPress. Here by Rank Ninja. Logo title. This is logo title that is visible sometimes. Okay, after that just click publish button and close the customizer. Now if I log out and try to log in again, you can see that the new logo has been set already. If you face any issue, then you can write comment in the below of this video. Also, I'll be sharing many more interesting tips and tricks regarding WordPress and WooCommerce website in my channel. So stay connected with my channel. Thank you.